Hey everyone, it is a celebration Tara's must-have where we are celebrating everything. What's a Tara's must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. These are so sweet. They have a sentiment, there are glass, they go in the dishwasher. Awesome. All right, so you're gonna receive all 4 8-inch octagon shaped plates, but as I mentioned, they're glass. So what do we love about that? You can still cut on these, you can still serve on these, and the best part, it's not your grandmother's glass. These go right in the dishwasher. 4 great sentiments: cheers, wish, celebrate, and happy. And they're available in our confetti, or they're available in our pink stripe, which is just over my shoulder here. $19.95, available over at temp-tations.com. And I love these for all of those celebrations. Even if it's just us at home with our family, there is a reason to celebrate everything and anything. So pick up these plates. You can get as many sets as you want. If you want service for 8 or service for 12, you can pick up multiple sets. But these are a must-have to celebrate everything and anything with our families.